The XINZUO Zhi Series 5-piece stainless steel knife set is a high-quality collection of kitchen knives designed for both professional chefs and home cooking enthusiasts. This set is crafted with precision and features premium materials, offering a blend of exceptional sharpness, durability, and a beautiful aesthetic. With a variety of knives for every task, from paring to slicing, this set is a perfect upgrade for any kitchen. High-quality blade material. Each knife in the set is made from 1.4116 molybdenum vanadium steel, a high-quality stainless steel imported from Germany's ThyssenKrupp group. This material is known for its excellent corrosion resistance, superior edge retention, and easy maintenance. The blade's core hardness is rated at 56 to 58 HRC, a sweet spot that provides a perfect balance between sharpness and durability. Exceptional sharpness and precision. The knives feature a meticulously crafted edge with a 15-degree angle per side, which is an international standard for high-performance cutting. The sharpness level is rated at a cutting force of 6.0 to 8.0 newtons, ensuring a smooth and effortless cutting experience. This level of sharpness is perfect for slicing, dicing, and chopping with precision. Premium handle and aesthetic. The handles are made from high-quality, premium red sandalwood, which not only provides a comfortable and secure grip, but also adds a touch of elegance to the knives. The surface of the blades undergoes a polishing process for a high-end, mirror-like finish, making them visually appealing and a great addition to any kitchen. Comprehensive set for all tasks. The 5-piece set includes a versatile range of knives to handle every culinary task: a 3.5-inch paring knife for detailed work, a 5-inch utility knife for general-purpose use, a 7-inch Santoku knife for precision slicing, an 8-inch cleaver knife for chopping, and an 8-inch chef knife for all-around use. Gift-ready packaging. The knives come in a beautiful gift box, making this set an ideal present for weddings, housewarmings, or for any cooking enthusiast. The elegant packaging reflects the premium quality of the knives inside. In summary, the XINZUO Zhi Series 5-piece stainless steel knife set is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a high-quality and durable knife set. Its combination of a premium German steel blade, a meticulously crafted edge, and a beautiful red sandalwood handle makes it a top-tier product in its class. With its exceptional sharpness, durability, and a versatile selection of knives, this set is an excellent investment for both professional and home kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Smart Home Hub for more reviews, tips, and tutorials.